Hi everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Tricia Fuglestad, an art teacher from Illinois. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hi, I'm Tricia Fuglestad. We're gonna go to the Do Ink animation app and make a spooky hologram. This is what you need to make in order to create that other effect. So let's see how you do this. So first, in the Do Ink animation app, we would make a new drawing. When you make a drawing of a ghost, first we would need to draw the ghost as a flipbook animation. So I would pick a sort of like a black marker size and color for drawing, and I'd do step number 1 on my ghost, which I would recommend keeping really simple if you want to get this project done in one class period. If you make it all a shape, then it's really easy for you to use the pour bucket to pour in your white for your ghost and maybe black. Now that is frame 1 of my flipbook, or picture 1 of my flipbook. So next I would go to the bottom timeline and I would choose the plus, and you can see an actual ghost image of my ghost, which is also called onion skinning, where you can view what you had before. So now I'm going to go back to my marker. I'm going to draw something a little different to show movement. And so my ghost is going to move in a 2-frame flipbook style. Little changes. I'm going to pour in my black, and I'm going to pour in my white. Now I can hit play and see how that looks. Okay, well, it moves too fast, but that's okay, I can adjust it later. I have a flipbook animation for a ghost, so now I'm going to go hit the gallery button and choose plus for a new composition. Now this is where I want to set up my hologram with my ghost, my hologram video. So I'm going to make my background black. So I choose, do you see the eye in the top right corner, background color, and I choose black. Now under the star is where you can bring in your animation. So I'm going to tap on it, resize it, and put it in position number 1. Now if you look at my timeline, it defaults to 2 seconds. If I hit play, my ghost is really moving too fast. I'm going to hit done. I'm going to change that. I'm going to go to the gear. I'm going to make it move, half as fast. So about 0.5. Then I'm going to stretch it out to 4 seconds. Now let's see if I like that movement better. I do. So now that is my template for everything else. All I'm going to do is touch that ghost in the bottom, make sure that's highlighted, and then I'm going to go to, the square with the arrow, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it again and again. So I have it 4 times. So now I'm going to move its location here on the 2nd level. I'm going to touch it. I'm going to move it and rotate it. Everything faces in. I'm going to touch the 3rd level and rotate it by grabbing a corner. That's how you rotate. And face it in. I have to be careful not to resize it. I want it to be the same size. Now I'm going to touch the 4th level, grab it, and rotate the other way. Now they're all facing in. I'm just going to tweak it a little bit and see if well, let's just hit play and see if it looks like I've got something that matches. Do you think the one on the left seemed a little far? I want to have some sort of rotational symmetry. Okay, I'm going to hit play and call it done. Now I'm going to show you what our next step is. Now that you've created your animation, you're ready to put your hologram viewer on it and look at your hologram.